Hi, this is Shikha here. I'm your PT trainer on behalf of CECA today. So CECA provides all kind of Australian migration services. They help students with student visa for USA, UK, Canada, and New Zealand. They can also help with admissions and change of course with free student visa extension. And apart from this free PT, there is free IELTS and NATI classes as well. And they can also help you with overseas health insurance at the lowest price. Okay. Now, let me bring up the essay.
I was also trying to do that the retail lecture.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found that bit difficult. Like how we can make the points, like what he's saying, the lecturer, and how we can speak for 35 seconds, what we can speak there.
Okay. So, have you done our retail lecture classes?
Now I just did the one class. That time we did the read aloud and describe image,
Okay.
and maybe that two things we did. Yeah.
Yeah. So, actually, we provide the format for even retail lectures. So, you don't have to do anything. It's
Okay.
very easy. So, let me give you the essay first.
Like last week you told us last week about that describe image with that we can use that particular lines in every image,
Yeah.
so that doesn't affect our marks. So like we can speak same sentence in every image.
Yes. Same sentence in every image, and you will get good marks.
Okay.
Because in speaking the marks is given on the number of words per unit, so that
Okay.
format is designed such that it will automatically give you good grades if you speak that.
Okay.
So this is the
So
huh?
this is essay. Okay. The important fact of topic. This is for the task one or task two.
Task 2 as in.
Writing.
Oh yeah, so this is for the essay structure.
Okay. So there are two tasks in writing or just one?
There are two, so one is summarize written text, and
Okay.
the second one is essay.
So this one is essay.
Yes, this one is essay.
Okay, I took the screenshot. Mhm. Yep.
So you have taken the body too.
Yeah. Now, now conclusion. Yeah, done.
Okay, so only thing is that you can use this essay structure for any kind of essay and you
Okay.
don't have to do much. But only thing is that in body two, so
Okay.
suppose you have to see what the topic of the essay is, and if you are, so suppose if the first body is a positive point for the
Hmm.
topic, right? For example, technology is affecting people in a bad way. So if here you say yes, it is affecting in a bad way, so it is fine, you can do that here. And if you think okay so for every essay you have to think of 2 points that you will use. Okay. Like,
Okay. Negative and positive both.
yes, so that depends on you if you want to use both the positive points or one positive one negative. But if you are
Okay.
using both positive points, then in the second body use this sentence. Okay. But if you are using a negative point, so one is
Oh,
positive, one is negative, so use this.
mm, okay. It's the conclusion
Yeah,
from what has been discussed.
because in last class we did essay as well, but because this is very time consuming
Okay.
essay, so now, so retail actually, let me give you,
Now, can you tell me that one? The summarize the paragraph. Which one was that?
so summarize written text. So let me see for summarize. So see, in summarized written text, you will have to write the answer in one sentence. Okay, and you will have to include main points.
Okay.
So, so this is how we do that. So from the sentence, you have to use 3 sentences, and I'll tell you how to choose sentences. So whatever summarized written text you get, choose 3 sentences. There should be an introduction and conclusion. And because we cannot use any full stop, so we will not use any full stop here. That is why we'll use connectors. Okay.
No full stop means like that.
So no full stop means, look, so there is an introduction sentence, then we have used comma, then we have used and then we have used so. Whether it's a essay, whether it's a summarized written text, or whether it's a summarized spoken text, one thing is very important. You have to give an introduction, a body, and a conclusion, even in the retail lecture. So it is very important. So here, because we have choice, we don't have any choice, we can just use one sentence. So you know what connector is?
Where?
So what connector is? Suppose if, for example, your name is Bahul and
Mm.
you are studying, say, Masters of Accounting, right? So there is one sentence saying that his name is Bahul, full stop. He is studying Masters of Accounting. So here, if we have to remove the full stop, how are we going to connect the sentence?
And
And
hey, my name is Pahul and I am doing Master of Accounting.
yes,
Like that.
yes. So these are the connectors.
Okay. We are like and moreover, however,
Yes,
like this.
yes. So if you use
Okay.
anything like and, moreover, however, nonetheless, so you can use a comma. So see in the last sentence, here in the last sentence. So sentence 1, then comma, then they have used and, then sentence 2, then comma, then moreover, sentence 3.
Hmm.
So moreover and are the connectors. And then we have separated the sentence by comma. Okay.
Okay.
Look, now simple connectors. So and, but, also, although, despite, all these are connectors. Now complex connector. So you can also use moreover, however, therefore, furthermore.
Yeah, these are similar like the IELTS connectors. Moreover, however, therefore,
Yeah,
furthermore, moving further, additionally, like this.
yeah. So if you want, you can take a picture of this and you can use.
Yep.
So it summarize written text is very easy. You just have to use 3 sentences, choose same as it is. You can use as it is sentence from
Okay.
the paragraph and just use connectors.
Okay. Can you just show me one, please?
Yeah.
How I can make this?
So now look how you will select the sentences. So the first is, it should not be an explanation or definition. So suppose if, for example, nowadays, if we are talking about COVID-19, so it says, okay, COVID-19 is widespread in Australia. And then it went on and explained, okay, COVID-19 started in Wuhan, and this is the virus from whatever bat or whatever, right? So it is explaining in the next sentence. So you don't have to choose the explanation. So you will only choose the key sentence. Okay.
Okay.
Now, another thing is that should not be an example. So suppose if for COVID only, uh, firstly there was this that COVID happened, then in the second part they explained, and in the third sentence they were giving, for example, there were 1800 something cases today in Melbourne. You will
Okay.
reject that,
No example.
and yes,
Okay.
don't include that part. Now, next thing, avoid things that's written in the brackets. Sometimes they will, uh, you know how we add things in a sentence, like while we are writing the essay, we add it in the brackets.
Mhm.
So don't include anything that is in the brackets,
Okay.
and no questions. If
Mhm.
you follow all these four, you won't have any issue in getting good scores in writing section. Okay. And I hope you know this, that there is no rollover time. So if you are given 10 minutes, don't think that it will be added to the essay portion. So make use of all the time that you have. Okay, now this is another thing that you have to think about. So no paraphrasing, no short forms, and no symbols. Like, you know how we use
Mhm.
and don't use this. Use the
Okay.
proper do not, something like that. No abbreviations.
Mhm.
If they have used it in the thing, then like use the full form, don't use the abbreviations. No first or second person point of view. So do you know what a first and second person point of view is?
Like one thing and another thing that.
So suppose if you want to say that, um, I think that going to university helps students overall, right?
Mm.
This is wrong. So you should not use I. You should use,
Okay. 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 Okay.
one should one should consider that going to university will help them in one way or the other.
Okay. Mostly same as IELTS. Like, yeah.
Now let's do some questions.
You also take classes on Fridays?
No, only on Sunday.
Okay. So there is another teacher on Friday.
Yes. So let's summarize written text. Okay. So here you have one paragraph. Try to make one sentence less than 75 words, and let me know what sentences you have chosen, and then I'll tell you.
Like how to choose sentence? I didn't get that. Which sentence? Like,
So do you have the points in front of you? Have you taken the picture of the things that I showed you? What you should not.
yes, 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 yes.
So they call it a marshmallow test. Do you think we should include that?
They call it a yeah.
Okay, it's fine. A 4 to 6 year old child sits alone in the room at a table facing a marshmallow on a plate. Now, what is this?
4 to 6 year old child sits alone in a room at the table facing a marshmallow on a plate. Don't know.
Okay, let's read further. Child is told if you don't eat this treat for 15 minutes, you can have both it and a second one. So, do you think this is an explanation of the marshmallow test?
Yes.
So, firstly, they are saying they call it a marshmallow test. Okay.
We can write it same.
Yes, you can write it same. In the
Okay.
second and third sentence, they are explaining what a marshmallow test is.
Okay.
Now, kids on average wait for 5 or 6 minutes before eating the marshmallow. So, is this an example here?
Kids on average 600. Yep.
The
So
long,
we don't have to use this one, or
no,
we can use.
we'll see how many sentences we get from the entire paragraph, and then we'll decide. So, the longer a child can resist the treat has been correlated with the higher general competency later in life. Okay, let's go to next one. Now, a study shows that the ability to resist is strictly innate. It is also highly influenced by the environment. Okay, so now here we have to tell that they are talking about the marshmallow test, right? And here they have explained what a marshmallow test is, what happens, right? But we can use this sentence. The longer a child can resist the treat has been correlated with the higher general competency later in life. But we'll leave this aside because we have a better sentence here. Now, a study shows that the ability to resist temptation isn't strictly innate. It's also highly influenced by the environment. So your first sentence will be this, second
Okay.
sentence will be this. But here you have to make some changes. And what are they?
Uh, is not, isn't, in
Very,
place of isn't, is not,
yes, very good.
and it is in
Yes,
place of it's.
yes. And then we'll have to remove this. We'll have to remove this hyphen and put a comma there.
Okay.
Okay.
And like you told me, we can't use the full stops, but like they call it the marshmallow test. After that, we can use or no?
No, no. Don't use full,
No full stop.
no full stop. So you will say they call it, or you can also say it is called the marshmallow test, comma. Now, a study shows that the ability, either you
How
can
many words we have to write in this paragraph?
less than 75.
Less than 75. Okay.
Ideally, ideally it should be 45 to 56.
Okay.
Okay, I think I, where is that? Okay. Look, ideally 45 to 65 words you should have at least. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now we have the first sentence here. We have used, so we'll just call.
It is called the. So we can use that brackets in marshmallow test.
Yes, so this is apostrophe, so we can use that.
Okay.
Now, second,
And a study show that.
Yes. So either you can use and or you can just leave now.
So that ability to resist temptation is not strictly innate. It is also highly influenced by environment.
Okay, so we have 26 words now. Now, next. Researchers gave a 5-year olds use crayons and one sticker to decorate a sheet of paper. One group was promised a new set of art supplies for the project, but they never received it. But the other group did receive new crayons and better stickers. Then both groups were given the marshmallow test. The children who had been lied to wait for a mean time of 3 minutes before the waited. Okay. The group that got their promised materialization.
So we can use our own words, or we can just use this one
If
written in the category.
if it is easier for you to use your own words and interpret this, go for it. But if
Okay, but like not only not like the whole sentence. I just asking like some of the words.
yeah, you can change it. For sure, you can change it. So if you are comfortable enough, you can definitely change it.
Okay. Does the researcher noted experience after 2 years?
So this will be the conclusion.
Okay. So that's 51 words. That's all.
Yes.
Okay.
So see how easy, and you won't be like there won't be any marks. So here,
So there is a full stop after gratification, comma. When previous promises have been hollow, why believe the next one?
child's ability to delay gratification when previous promises have been. So when is already a connector. So I think even if you remove the full stop, we can use like that.
Okay.
So there is no, so even if you write like this, you will still get good marks.
Okay.
2-1. Okay, so try doing this one and let me know if you have any doubt.
Okay, so we can choose like lines from every paragraph, or we can skip any paragraph if we want to.
You can skip if you can skip if you want.
Like I did like this. As a family therapist,
Hmm?
it is recommended to get to go to the to go home and have dinner together rather than spending an hour with me.
Hmm?
And after that, from this line, and that nightly dinner does not have to be a gourmet meal that took 3 hours to cook,
Hmm?
nor does it need to be made with organic arugula and heirloom. What's this?
Pars-
Parsnips.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. And how many words are there?
I haven't read in the laptop.
Okay. Okay, let's see. So suppose if you have this one.
And I just changed this. I often have the impulse. Like we can't use I, you told me.
Yes. Right.
Yeah, so it's so we can use like it is recommended that.
Yes. Very good. Yeah.
So in this we just have to make one paragraph of like 50, 60 words.
Yes. Just one sentence.
This one.
So here, what will you use for conclusion?
Mm, before school and after more powerful.
So two sentences that you have chosen, they are good. You can use that. But the third sentence, like the conclusion, what should you use in that?
Uh, just one. We can use this one, the last one. Uh, some researchers, we can use some in place of other.
Yes.
The last one. Some researcher reported a consistent association between family dinner frequency and teen academic performance.
Very good. Very good. That's the sentence that should be used as a
Conclusion.
conclusion. Yes.
And in full stop, we can say, moreover, adolescents who eat family meals 5 to 7 times a week were twice as likely to get A's in school.
Where here? Here, you mean?
No, not in here. And
So here you can use thus. So this is your conclusion, right? Thus,
yep,
some researchers reported a consistent association between family dinner frequency and teen academic performance. And then at last, you will put one full stop.
yeah, okay,
Okay. So
yeah.
that is 71 words, not bad at all. We can use that. Now, try this one.
So we can start from the center, like there is a example in the first line.
Mhm.
So you told me like don't use examples.
Okay, let me.
So
So with the relation of the brown. Okay, so see in the first sentence, so they are not actually giving examples. They are saying that if they want, they could give plenty of examples.
okay,
Okay, so we need to use this as an introduction because it presents a very important idea for the summarized written text. But
okay. So we can use this line till and then to affluence
yes,
Americans in the mid 19
but
to this one. Yep.
try to shorten it a bit, like paraphrase, although you can use it. 37.
37.
Okay, let's see if we can find like any other. So till conclusion, if it's less than 75, then it's fine. Otherwise, we'll need to restructure this sentence.
After that, we can use this one. But in the free states, a man knows that he can better his condition.
Where is that?
One, two, three, four. Fifth line.
Yes, we can use that. And now the conclusion.
Then, thus, the free labor system concluded Lincoln opened the way for all, gives hope to all, at energy and progress and improvement of condition to all. The last line. Thus, the free labor system concluded Lincoln.
Yes, very good. So that's how we do it. Now, do you get the hang of it now?
Yep.
Okay, so do you want to practice more or do you want to do something else?
We can do something else.
Okay. Okay, so we'll do this one is very important for the reading section. How is your reading? Have so you have not taken this text, right?
No.
So it is easier than IELTS for sure.
Last time I gave test of IELTS like 6 months ago. I got six in reading and speaking. No, in writing and speaking. 8.5 in listening, but 5 in reading.
But then even if you got 5, still PT is very much easier than that.
But that time I haven't studied, like not for one day.
Yeah, so yeah, if you do PT, it's very easy. It's not at all difficult. Okay, so we'll do so in reading section, these are the two important things that you have to focus mainly, because choosing multiple answer multiple questions or answer single questions, they are
Mm.
very like they don't have that much of marks. So
Where I can practice online, is there any website or something?
yeah, so this is the one Ape Uni. So I'll show you once.
Okay.
So this is how you will get. So here what you have to do, you have to choose one option. Do you see below we have so many options?
Yes,
So you
but they are not clear.
yes, so we practice something else. So this is just to show you how the question looks like. So we have to choose one and then we have to take and drop it in the box wherever
Okay.
we see which one is the correct one, and when then we drop that there.
Okay.
So make sure you always answer this, because even if you go wrong, there will not be any marks deducted. So make sure you choose at least something,
One. Okay. No negative marking.
no negative marking. So now there are few things that you should know, like for the grammatical. So the best way to get good marks in all this is like, see what the grammatical idea you are getting from surrounding the blank, because there is a sentence, right? Here there is a sentence, right? Computer science and your problem solving and stuff. So see what, how the like grammar is and close to blanks, and then choose the word according to that. So the best way is that eliminate the words that you think is not going to suit here.
Okay.
So here, for example, if you have off, by, or towards before the blank,
Mhm.
so there should be a verb plus ing. So for example, he got closer towards achieving his goal. So if you see achieving in the option below, choose that and put it in the box.
Okay.
In the same way, she fell down by playing basketball. So by, so what is the verb here? Play.
Yeah.
And play plus ing. So we'll use playing basketball. Okay. Now adverb. Adverb. What is an adverb? So it qualifies, it is a qualifying an action. So for example, he is running. Run is the verb here, right?
Adverb.
So adverb will be quickly. How is he running?
Okay. Good.
Yes. So what does adverb do? It qualifies an action, and an adverb will always end with ly or just y,
Okay.
and it can be used either before or after the verb. So
Okay.
here,
After or before as well.
yes. So like he is running quickly, he is quickly running. So both are correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now, before a noun, subject, or object, this is the adjective. So what is an adjective? It describes the qualities of a noun. And what is a noun? Noun can be a name, place, idea, or thing.
Mm,
So for example, he has blue eyes. So what is blue here?
Noun.
Blue is the adjective,
Adjective. Adjective.
because if nouns name, place, idea, or a thing. So I is a thing.
Hmm.
So I is the noun. And
Noun.
how is noun? It's blue.
It,
It describes the characteristics or qualities of the noun. Okay.
yes.
So now next. Okay. Now is, are, was, were. So here, okay. So you have to make sure. So suppose if the verb plus ing, then verb plus ed, verb plus en. How do we use that? So he is playing with is. So this means that if there is, are, was, or were before the blank, we will always use a verb which will end with ing, ed, or en.
Yeah.
So for example, in the blanks you have he is dash and you have playing option below. So just choose playing and put it in the box.
Okay.
So he is playing, he was playing, they were playing, they are playing. In the same way with ed as well. So it is,
ED and EM.
yes,
Okay.
it is consumed. Now it is eaten.
Hmm.
Okay. Now second. So suppose if in the sentence you see being. So if you see a being, you will always use verb plus ed and verb plus en, similar to this. Now, if you have could have, would have, should have, then what should you use? Verb plus ed and verb plus en.
Yeah.
So could have consumed, would have consumed, like that. Okay. Now here, has been, have been, had been. So here we have the same things as we had for is, was, were. Remember? Verb
Hmm.
plus ing, verb plus ed, verb plus en.
Yeah.
And an. So if you know, if you see there is an and, we know that there should be,
Hmm.
yes,
Vowel.
some word starting with
Yeah.
vowel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, subject, verb plus object, this will know when we are doing the thing. Must be, could be, should be. So even here, ing, ed, and en. So let's do APU. Okay, so this is the website that we recommend, Ape Uni. Let me share the link in the chat for you. Yeah. Just, okay, so we have studied for this. So this is the question. Try doing it using the rules that I have told in the class, and then we'll discuss.
How much time we got for this one?
So usually you should give more time to these things and less time to reorder paragraph and choose single answer or choose multiple answer, because this will give you most of the marks.
So after completing, we have to do next, or like we have to finish the time first?
uh, After completing this, you should put like press next,
Okay. The narrating of
because here the time will be carried forward. So you should do press next.
next. Okay. The narrating of law and order is okay. I'm a bit confused in the first one. At the level of individual justice and responsibility.
Okay. So suppose if we put justice here, okay. So the narrative of law and order is located fundamentally at a level of individual justice. So if we think, how can we talk about individual justice and responsibility? Because justice will be done by the court, right? Okay, let's try this. So we have to look at the other things. For example, if you are not sure about this box, just choose whatever you think is correct and go on to move on to the next one. Suppose if you think there should be justice. Okay, now let's move on and do the next one. Criminal acts are seen as individual issues of personal responsibility and culpability, to which the state responds by the way of policing, prosecution, and dash and punishment.
I
So,
write here guilt.
okay. So look, here we cannot choose guilt. You know why? Because we are talking about punishment, policing, prosecution. So if you see anything that's related to court, so suppose if we put guilt here, what did you say? Guilt, right?
Yeah.
So if
So
someone is being punished, if someone is being taken to the police, do you think he is feeling guilty? Otherwise, he would not have done committed any crime in the first place, right? So we cannot use this. Now, if we choose feedback, prosecution, feedback, and punishment, do you think it makes sense here?
to which the state respond by way of policy, prosecution, feedback, and punishment.
Because this is, we have to see which words like match together. So feedback does not go with policing, prosecution, and punishment.
Maybe the first one, adjudication.
Yes, that's correct. This one, because this is like when the what do you say, the judge gives a sentence or he reaches to a conclusion, that is called adjudication. So we use this. Now, third one. This is but one level at which crime and criminal dash can be analyzed.
Image.
Okay. Now let's read this again. This is but one level at which crime and criminal can be analyzed. Now, he in the previous sentence he is talking about giving a sentence or from the judge. So in the second sentence, if they are talking about this is but one level at which crime and criminal dash can be analyzed. So what is the judge doing here?
Giving sentence. So guilt.
So justice. So the judge is doing justice here. So we'll use
Okay.
justice because this is but one level at which crime and criminal justice. So criminal, if someone is criminal, they cannot be guilty, right? So we cannot use guilt here. So we'll use justice. Now the third sentence. In few other areas of social life, does individualism have this hold? To take but one instance, it would be dash to restrict analysis of obesity to individual will. What do you think we can put here?
To take but one instance, it would be absurd.
Very good. Absurd. So in the first, the narrative of law and order is located fundamentally at the level of. That means you can explain law and order at the level of individual guilt and responsibility.
Okay.
Okay, so that's one. If you put all these words, suppose if you're confused about any word, just try to put it and try to make sense out of that sentence. If it does not make sense, then it is not the correct word. Okay, let's move on and do the next one. Let's try doing this one.
Mhm.
Okay, done.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the first answer?
Surprising number of writers on those who thought of their writing self-expression as sort of pressure.
Pressure. Okay. Second.
Freedom.
Sorry.
At least until. Then
Mhm.
then century has been this century.
Last one is correct. Okay. Now let's start from here. But at least dash the predominant demand in this dash has been recently for some sort of objectivity. Until then, we, yes, in India we use until then, but until then is incorrect. So it's like a collocation that this should be used with this. So until recently, that means no one has asked for this predominant. So this demand is recent because they are talking about in this century. The predominant demand in this century has been for some sort of objectivity. And why?
I I have choose to then and recently in this one, but I have to speak from.
Yeah. And you know why recently as well? So if you look at the, firstly, our, what do you say, our motive should be read and understand from the first sentence. So they are saying that a surprising number of writers, even those who have sought their writing as self expression, have sought a dash from the tyranny of subjectivity. So, what they are saying that the writing has always been subjective, right? And now
Hmm,
they want it to be objective, right?
okay,
So, what they are saying that a number of writers, they want to express themselves and they want a freedom, not pressure. Where is freedom? A freedom from the tyranny of subjectivity. What is a tyranny? So they are saying that subjectivity is bad. So they are sorting. You know, you sort something, you want something. So what they are wanting, they want freedom. Does this make
so
sense?
in yes, in this one, inward to the outward word.
Yes, very good. Inward to outward. You know why? Because it is directed. When someone direct you, then you go from one place to the other.
When I gave you the answers, I changed my every fill ups. First, I choose the freedom in first one, inward second one, third one, then and recently two, and fourth century.
So you chose
But
the correct ones.
yeah, when I gave an answer, I changed my answer.
Okay. No, you were correct if you chose these. Okay, let's see the answers. The freedom, inward, recently, and century. Okay, let's do the next one.
Uh, can't see the options.
Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yeah. Can is there only three banks in this one? I can see only the point of view of the public. Yeah, it's good. Done.
Done? Okay. So what's the first answer?
Uh, although
Very good. Next.
from the point of view
Very good.
as mothers enter employment, they are likely to
Awesome. Yep.
and call income tax and national insurance. Call
Revenues.
and claim fewer benefit and to generate extra revenues. Uh, employment, they are likely to claim fewer benefits and to generate extra revenue.
So you
Maybe call call maybe.
see, look at the sentence. Fewer benefits and to generate extra revenues. There is a
Accept.
no. So you generate. So if you have to generate extra money, how do you say?
Okay. So they are giving us like they are likely to claim fewer benefit and to generate extra revenues through income tax and national insurance.
Yes, correct. So through. Although, from, enter, and through. Okay. Let's do couple more and then we'll go to other one.
are done.
Okay. So what are the answers?
First all,
Yes. Very good.
should,
Very good.
rises,
Very, very good.
find.
Awesome. All are correct. Okay, next.
Are done.
Done. Okay. What's the answer?
First is native,
Very good.
gardener should that besiege,
Awesome. Okay. Next.
I'm confused in this one. These bats praise or consume?
In the third one,
These bats consume moths, beetle, and mosquito. Consume
yes, consume is the right one.
and prey. Last one.
Okay. First,
Or
huh?
last one we can use pest as a.
Yes, pests. Okay. So why? So see why we have used consumed here. That is clear, right? These bats
Yeah.
consume means eat,
Eat.
basically. But here, and while there are no pollinator bats in our area, gardeners should dash those that do live because they are insectivorous.
Hmm.
So not this.
Prey.
We have to use champion because they want bats to live there so that they can eat all the pests. Their crops are like healthy.
Okay.
So that is why.
So what does champion mean here?
So champion means it's a way of saying that they should champion those. They should like be happy about them that they live here because they are insectivorous and they can kill.
Don't harm.
Yes.
Or they can. They can kill.
Because look, why they want to champion bats? Because they protect gardens and crops from such pests as cucumber beetles, cutworms, and leaf hoppers. Because
Hmm.
they eat these things.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll do this one.
There is only three.
Yes.
So first is collector,
Collectors. Okay.
usage.
Awesome.
Worth the money.
Last one is correct. The ruins of South Fremantle Power Station have stood empty since, home only to urban explorers and street dash.
Artist.
Yes, artist. Because the collector does not make sense here, na? It's like we don't know who the collectors are. So, artists. And opened in 1951. The power station was once a pillar of progress.
Demands.
Very good. Demands. Demand and artists. Okay. Answer. Listen. All are correct. So did you have any doubt for like in these two blank?
No, not now.
Okay. Now let's do something else. And do you know that in PT they have made some changes?
No.
Okay, so now when is your exam?
21st.
21st of October.
Hmm.
And you are in Melbourne.
Sydney.
So hopefully you'll have the test. It is good if you have the test before November 15 or 16 because they are going to change the rules.
What are they changing?
So they will do it only for 2 hours
Hmm.
and they will decrease the essay. So they'll have only one essay and one summarized written text. Previously, you used to get two summarized written text. Now you will get only one. Now they will also decrease the number of these three questions. So describe image,
Hmm.
read a lecture, and answer short question because they know that people get most of the marks from these five.
Okay. So that's not good.
That's not good because other things which are difficult, they will be like more marks
Hmm.
on those questions. So if you make anything wrong, it will be very difficult. So now, hopefully, you have because Sydney is out of lockdown. So hopefully, you have it before
My friend gave just like 2 weeks ago.
in Sydney.
Yes.
Yeah. So
In lockdown.
really,
Yes.
like they have opened the centers and everything.
Not all the centers, like two of my friends booked the exam. One got the mail that his exam is cancelled, but one he gave the exam.
So is there any specific center that they are?
Maybe yes, they both fill the different centers. So, one the center in the city, they are taking the test. I think so because I also fill in that one.
Okay, then it's good. Hopefully, you get.
Yeah, I haven't got any mail that your test is cancelled or postponed.
Yeah. So hopefully,
Yeah.
okay. Now this is the drop down. So same rules apply here. You just have to if you do the elimination first, then it becomes very easy for you to choose the correct answer.
Those were his, and his music was constantly holding and his influence. Is touted
Touted? Why?
because those were his music was constantly heard, not vanished, not dented, and his influence. What does this blanketed mean?
Blanketed means
Blanket.
covered, covered by something. Not literally, but in the essence as well. Like this room was blanketed by good smell. We can say something like that.
Just
So what do you think?
mm, so I think that taunted he
Okay, so what's the meaning of touted?
don't know.
Okay, so touted means you are attempting to sell something.
So He was selling his music, I think so.
Those were his halcyon days when his music was constantly heard in Venice and his influence. So, see, influence. So, can you sell an influence?
No.
But
So
what is dented? So, dented means to have a,
effect.
yes, effect. Like if you punch a car and there is a dent in it. So, that's called dent.
Oh, okay.
So, vanished, of course, it can
No,
touted, we know,
not even.
and here influence cannot be sold. So what is the remaining option?
Blanketed.
Yes, blanketed Europe. So that means his music was so good but that it was like all over the Europe. Like wow, his music is so good.
Mm,
You can say it is an expression, blanket. Now, second.
he spent much of his time on the road.
Yes,
Performing.
very good performing.
What does outperforming mean?
Outperforming means when you have a competition or something. Like when suppose if he went to a concert and there was someone
Hmm,
and he sang better than him, so they will say that Halicon was outperforming that performer or that singer.
okay, that studied Vivaldi's score, copied them for performance and um, copied them for performance. Repeated.
Okay, let's see. Bach studied Vivaldi's scores, copied them for performance, and repeated some for other instruments. If you put repeated, does it make sense? What does repeat some for other?
Performance and repeat some arranged for
So,
underscore.
so we have to see if it, whatever word we use, if it fits with the previous words and later words. If we use repeated, first of all, performance is a uh, like it's not the second form. What do you say?
Hmm.
It is not in the past tense. Repeated is sort of a past tense. Performance is not a past tense. So,
Then derived.
huh?
So range is also passed. Underscore is also passed.
Yes, but there it will one will be past only, but like commonly, like repeated cannot be used with some.
Okay, perform.
Underscore underscored some for other instruments. What does this mean?
No,
If we
no.
translate that into Hindi or our own language, if we see, okay, underscored some for other instruments, that does not make sense. Derived, derived,
Arranged then.
yes, arranged,
Arrange some of other instrument.
yes, arranged some for other instruments.
Arranged some for other instrument. Blanketed. Performing. Arranged.
Next,
A flower color result of full proof got to good lunch. I can start this one reading from She Studies or
yes, yes, always do that because it's useless.
She Studies. Texture. What about they tested the bees?
Very good.
Perfectly.
Very good.
Trained.
Very good. So except for this, all are correct.
So maybe pattern. Pattern. Shape. Yeah. What does that iridescence mean?
So look, perfectly iridescent. They are using here. So that means shimmery, something looking shimmery. But even we don't know the meaning of this, still, if you think it was a pattern. So when will pattern be used? So suppose if they were saying that they are going from this flower to that flower, and they are saying in this season they go here, in that season they go here. So that means they are describing a pattern, right? So, and which is not the case here. They are not describing the pattern here. They are just talking about their food and how glowy the petals look.
Yeah.
Okay?
So iridescence. Maybe.
And shape, of course, not the shape, because they did not
No.
talk about shape at all. Even texture, they did not talk about texture. So only thing, you don't know the meaning, but by
Mhm.
elimination method, we'll choose, okay, iridescence.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Spirit.
Okay.
Pure.
Very good. Yeah.
Medicines. Silver.
Can medicine say that something is heterogeneous?
Scientist. Scientist.
Yes.
Possible.
Very good. So except for first one, all are correct.
The universe.
Yes. Let's check answers. Yes. But do you understand why we have used the universe?
No.
Okay. So here they are talking about to
Just
learn.
eliminating that.
Huh?
Just eliminating. Then I go to universe.
Okay. So here what they have used is to learn the speech of alchemy, an early form of chemistry in which people attempted to turn metals into the gold. It helps to think back to a time when there was no science. So they are talking about a time when there was no science. So no atomic weight or number, no periodic charge, no list of elements. So they are talking at that time. At that time, can we use horizon?
No.
No. Can we use heaven?
No.
This is a clear no no. Spirit, like
No.
spirit can be either ghost, they are talking about ghost, or they are talking about alcohol. In the
Mm.
both are not suitable. So what is the most suitable one here?
Universe.
Yes, because these are the things like that alchemists know now. But at that point, the universe. So they are talking about the universe here, not all these things. So we eliminate and we see what can fit here the best. Okay.
Can you open that options, please? The principle, the,
Okay.
the concept.
No. So concept, when will we use concept? So suppose if something is like related to the facts, then we'll use concept or principle.
So the
If you read further, the dash is that the beauty is in the eye of dash, and you cannot hold a political face without a veil of whatever. So concept we cannot use because they are not talking about facts. Principle we cannot.
okay.
What is
So
an
idea.
what is an idea? So something new. Something new. Okay. Whatever you think is right, we'll choose that, we'll do the rest, and then we'll come back. So you think principle or idea?
Attempting to try prove that good looking vote and many can have tried. Then yeah, I choose principle, but it's wrong.
Okay. Now this one is very easy. Eye of, this is a collocation.
People,
No. It's a saying that is used worldwide. So there is only one word.
beholder,
Yes, beholder. And you know the meaning of this? Beauty is in the eye of beholder.
mhm,
Okay.
and you cannot behold a politician. देखने वाले की आंख में.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah, you cannot be without a wheel of extra getting in the air.
You know what a grin is?
No.
Grin is like a smile, like with your closed lips when you smile,
Mhm.
like that. That's called a grin. So they are talking about smile here. So think what word from these words will match with the grin, because that should be the correct answer.
So, and what does this smirk will mean?
Smirk is the correct.
Smirk.
That also means smile, but in a very questioning way, like it's a form of smiling only.
So, factitious smirk.
Yes.
Assessing him politically as well as it's hard to find anyone who can look at the politically.
So what is the quality that everyone gets attracted to very easily? Because it's saying it's hard to find anyone who can look at the president without assessing him politically as well as
Economically or
economic,
physically.
physically. Because when you look at someone, of course, you look whether they are looking like
Hmm.
presentable or not.
Physically attractive.
Yeah. So physically. Now,
Yeah, physically.
so everything is correct except for principle. So principle,
The difficulty. Okay. Why it is difficulty?
the difficulty is that the beauty is in the eye of beholder, and you cannot behold politicians' face without a wheel of extraneous prejudice getting in the way. So that, what does that mean is, they are saying that everyone has their own way of looking at someone,
Hmm.
right? So everyone will have their own perception, and that is why they are saying it becomes difficult, because when you look at someone, everyone has different opinion about that person. And sometimes when you have someone elected as a president or prime minister, it can be troublesome. You will like someone, you will not like someone, and what will that do? That will create chaos in the society. Someone will, like for example in India, someone is against Modi, some people are with him.
Hmm. Hmm.
So there are tensions created because of that, right? And we can use this saying here, the beauty is in the eye of beholder, because some people look at Modi like he is doing good for the country, but many people look at him as if he is doing wrong.
Hmm.
So there is a difficulty in that thing. Okay, now do you understand this? Why we have chosen?
Hmm.
Okay, we'll stop here and then we'll continue in the next class. Okay,
Oh,
what happened?
1 minute. Sorry.
Okay, we'll stop here and then we'll continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Paul. Have a
Thank you. Thank you for your time.